tell us more about the latest acquisition conducted by Poynting. We speak to the interim CEO, Juergen Dresel, about the company's acquisitions of Antenna Research Associates based in the US. Juergen, maybe if you tell us a little bit more details about ARA, as we've seen them being referred to. It does seem as though this company is a perfect fit for Poynting.
Yes, indeed. I mean, we have been looking for quite some time to make an acquisition in the United States because that's one way of entering that market in some successful way, hopefully. And yeah, so we've been running up and down there for quite a couple of years to find a good fit for us. And in ARA, we have found exactly that fit. So we would definitely understand that business very well because it is very similar to ours. And yeah, it gives us that US footprint, which we have been hoping to find for quite some time.
Tell us about that huge footprint, the opportunities that lie from a US market. Will you be providing antennas not only to the domestic appeal, but also maybe to the military? And also from a geographic perspective, does this give you the opportunity to launch off into the rest of the globe?
Yes, I think that it will allow us predominantly to access the United States market, and people must understand that from a defense market point of view, the US is by far the biggest defense spender. So you take the next biggest 9 countries in this world together and you add the defense budget up, it doesn't match the United States defense budget. So it is by far the biggest spender in that market we're servicing. And for that reason, it is a great opportunity for us to find a foothold there in the US.
Juergen, just to close off with, we do know that your predecessor, we actually see him on screen at the moment, he had resigned in December. The share price did take quite a significant knock. Are you in the process of finding a replacement? Are you potentially on offer for the job? And are you concerned about the dip in the share price?
Yeah, I mean, a drop in share price is always bad, no doubt about that. I mean, I think at the moment, probably the market hasn't quite understood exactly what has happened. So we're still in the process of trying to communicate that better, what that Compart transaction meant. And yes, I think for moving forward, I think I would certainly be an incumbent to fulfill the role of the CEO going forward.